Hey all, welcome back to another episode of Design Cafe Homes. I'm your interior designer Ananya Jovis, and today we're here at Mr. Amrainder and Mrs. Shivali's 3 BHK house at Rainbow Residence, Bangalore. Well, this house has everything you wish and desire for. It is spacious, it's well lit, it's comfortable, it's cozy and whatnot. With no further ado, hit that subscribe button if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, and let's go inside. The foyer is the first highlight of the home as we enter. The shoe rack is designed for both storage and sitting area, with cushion seater and back panning with cove lights. The wall is highlighted with the textured wallpaper continuing to the dining area. The foyer and the dining is divided by a rafter panel which can be used to place some artifacts and hanging lights. The concept for this living room is with a wooden theme and a modern contemporary look. The false ceiling is kept very basic with corner cove lights near the TV unit and mainly designed for even light distribution throughout the space. The TV unit left and right French windows are covered with blinds, which blends beautifully with the TV unit color. Now the wallpaper has been chosen very well so that it highlights the whole area. The right side architrave paneling is with rope partition, which acts as another distinct view to this area. Hit like if you think this is a great feature to get some privacy. Moving on to the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the house. White has always been every homeowner's favorite colors. It doesn't only make the space look neat but also elegant at the same time. This kitchen is with white acrylic glossy finish and the dado area is with lacquered glass. The partition of the kitchen wall is extended and acts as a serving counter to the dining area. To have more storage space, the tall unit has been designed with frosted glass shutters. The space above the dishwasher is also used for storage purposes. The master bedroom is designed with simple and elegant design. The bed is designed with an under-storage pull-out drawer for easy accessibility, and the side tables are floating units. The upholstery is extended till the ceiling. The false ceiling is planned with ambient lights, which is sufficient to light up the room, and cove light in the false ceiling can be used as mood lighting. In the kids' bedroom, the color palette is planned in such a way that it is there for the long run, thinking that the kids will grow up and can use the same colors for their room. Also, to make more space for playing, the beds have been cornered. The study table is planned for 2 or more individuals for studying, or can be used as a working table as well. The guest bedroom is designed for hidden storage and minimal decor space. For space-constrained rooms, we can have storage below the bed, which will be useful to store unused bedspreads, pillows, or can be used to even store clothes. Small wall open ledges can be designed to keep some of the decor stuff in the room. The hanging lights on the corners give a very authentic look with the wallpaper on the background. A home movie theatre is to have lavish attention on your entertainment needs. But a home theatre room is more than just a sofa and a screen. Certain requirements like controlling outside light and the ability to cast a large enough picture should be met in order to call this a proper home movie theatre. Requirements apply both to video projectors and screen, which are small as well as large. Soundproof your room by adding a second layer of drywall or replacing it with a special sound-reducing wall board. Well, we admired everything about this beautiful home. In the comment section below, do let us know which was your most favorite part of the home. Personally, my favorite was definitely the home theatre. I can only imagine the number of hours I'm going to spend binge watching series over there. Well, back to reality. I hope you like this video. Do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you all.